So, hello everybody. Hi. Hello, hi Carl. Hello, Aiman, Preston, Zangnam, Ifat, Aisha, Leslie, and Humaira. So, this is English Year 8 with Miss Farhana. So, we are going to talk about thesis statement for expository essay. The work for today is thesis statement, and the WILF is writing a thesis statement. So, if you guys still remember, we did talk about thesis statement before the RMO um, break, right? So I hope you guys still remember it. And the function of this video is to sort of refresh your memory about this statement. I would like to remind you that this is very, very important, especially for your upcoming checkpoint exam. So, yeah, expository essay. Um, Okay, so what is a thesis statement? So thesis statement is the main idea of the entire essay. Okay, main idea. Basically the main thing that you wanna talk about. Okay, so a thesis statement is a statement that contains the essay's topic and point. It gives the reader a sense of what the essay will be about. So your reader, by just by reading your thesis statement, they will know, oh, this essay is going to talk about this and this. Okay, so usually comes at the end of the introduction paragraph. So it is the last sentence of the introduction paragraph. So most thesis statements are only one sentence, and it must be a complete sentence, and everything in the essay must support the thesis. For example, if you're talking about healthy, for example, you're talking about healthy diet. Healthy diet is important, meaning everything in your essay must support the statement, which is healthy diet is important. If you want to say that uh, no, healthy diet is not really important, so meaning it is not supporting the thesis statement already. So everything in the essay must support the thesis statement. Okay? Okay, moving on. So why is it important? Why do we have to write thesis statement? Okay, so the first one is to better organize and develop your argument. And the second one is to provide a reader or your reader with a guide to your argument. So basically, this statement help you to organize your essay. Okay, um, it just by writing the thesis statement in your introduction paragraph, you will be clear about what do you want to write next. Okay, in the next paragraph and the next paragraph. So it will be more organized. Okay, and also it gives your reader a guide to what they're going to expect when they read the essay. Okay, so it helps both party, the writer and also the reader. So next, tone of a good thesis statement. So when you write a thesis statement, always write in third person. Okay, do not use I think, in my opinion, in this essay I will show. Okay, why? Because this essay is your opinion. There's no need to state it. Because people know, yes, you are writing this essay, you're going to be stating your opinion, so you don't need to say my opinion. Okay? So writing in third person will give your essay a stronger factual voice. Okay, let me give you an example. So, example, healthy diet, okay? Healthy diet is important. That is third person. If you write, I think healthy diet is important. That is first person. Okay? So, yeah, always write in third person. Okay, the tone of the thesis statement. This is very important because um, you want to sound legit. You want to sound that this is a factual essay, and you want people to take your essay seriously. So, write in third person. Okay? Next, writing a good thesis statement. A good thesis statement must state, okay, this three thing is very important. Okay, the first one is the topic. You must state the topic. The second one is your position in relation to the topic. What is your stand? Do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? Okay? And the last one is your controlling ideas, meaning your reason, your point, what support your stand. Okay? So you can look at this what do you call this picture over here. So writing a thesis statement is as easy as ABC. So A, topic, B, opinion, and C, reason to support your opinion. So having all this together make a good thesis statement. Okay, so next, steps of writing a thesis statement. So there's 4 steps before that you need to take to write a thesis statement. So the first one is to analyze the question or the topic given. So when you get your question paper, you analyze the topic, which means you know what is the topic, what is this question trying to say. Okay? Be clear about the topic. Once you get the topic wrong, everything else will be a mistake. So make sure you know what is the topic. Get the topic right. Moving on to the second step, create a declaration or a stand. Okay, when you want to, when you get the topic right, you got to think. You got to think about the pros and cons. Okay, so after that, you start to decide what is your stand. So do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? And then after that, you list why. You list your reason. Okay, why do you support this topic? Why do you oppose this topic? This must be clear. You need to have reason. You cannot just simply, oh, I don't agree with it, I don't know why. So that's not acceptable. You have to have, you need to have a reason, not actually, but a few reasons of why you support this topic or why you oppose this topic. Okay, and then after that, you combine all these elements and you write the thesis statement. Easy? Okay, now steps of writing a thesis statement. Okay, step 1. This is the example as well. Okay, step 1, analyze the question and the topic. Okay, the question here is, should schools require students to wear school uniform on a daily basis? Okay, now let's look at the question. Should schools require students to wear school uniform on a daily basis? So now we try to understand the topic. So school requiring student to wear school uniform. Okay, now you got to create your stand. Do you agree with it? Do you think students should wear school uniform to school? Do you think students should not wear school uniform to school? What is your stand? That is step 2. For me, I think schools should require students to wear school uniform on a daily basis. Okay? And then moving on to the third step, list reasons why. Why do I say schools should require students to wear school uniform? Why? Oh, why? Okay? So my first point would be it lessen distractions in the classroom. Just imagine if everybody come to school with like colorful shirts and this girl got a bling bling necklace, so it must be a distraction in the classroom. So to lessen the distraction, we might want to wear school uniform. Okay, and second one is the cost of purchasing. The cost of purchasing uniform is fairly low. You don't want to come to school using Armani or Gucci shirt, so the cost of purchasing uniform is fairly low. Everybody, most people can afford school uniform. Okay, my last reason would be foster school spirit. So you'll be like very, you have like a high school spirit when you wear school uniform, something like that. Okay, so these are my 3 reasons. Okay, so now what should I do? I should combine and write the thesis statement. Okay, so school should require students to wear school uniform on a daily basis because school uniform lessen distraction, okay, in the classroom. The price is reasonable and it helps to foster school spirit. Okay, now let's look back at all the steps that we've taken just now. Okay, school should require students to wear school uniform on a daily basis. So I try to highlight this one for you. Okay, sorry. Okay, on a daily basis. Okay, where did I got this? I got this from step 1 and step 2. Okay, the question combined with my stand. And then, for step 3, I list the reason and I put it here. Because school uniform lessen distraction. Oops, sorry. Okay, the price is reasonable and it helps to foster school spirit. You see, from all the steps that I took, I managed to write a thesis statement. Okay, so usually students have problems in terms of coming up with the reasons. They can analyze the question. They got their stand, but they cannot come up with reasons. So reasons is very important. Okay, so for your checkpoint exam, you only need 2 reasons because this is due to the number of words, the limited number of words. So you only need 2 reasons. Okay, so that's all for today.